to this. So this dress actually sold already, and I am so excited and happy about it. But the lady was smaller than the size 2 mannequin, so they pinned it up so it'll fit her properly, and I had to take all of these stones off, and now I have to clean this mesh and I have to restone it. Small project alert. Oh my God. So I started taking the glue off here on the top and this front side. But as you can see, I got it all in the mesh. It's on this fabric. It's gonna take a minute because you want to be very delicate so it can stay clean and fresh looking. But that's what we're doing today until this beautiful piece gets filled back in. Alright, so I got it all cleaned off. There is a tiny watermark, but that is okay because it's going to get covered by stones. Took about forever, but let's start stoning it. Alright, so I got it pinned up here on this pillow, and we're going to start the restoning process. I had our secretary print up the picture of what it looked like when it was stoned. So I'm gonna try to replicate that back here. Let's get it. All right, so the frame is back.